5 smart tips to complete your house within budget and timelines. Building or renovating a new home is tedious, cumbersome, and time-consuming. Well, not to forget the energy it consumes out of you. But you can simplify the process with these tips that will help you complete your house within budget and timelines. Consult an architect. You may want to get an architect on board, but you must take complete charge of the planning and material sourcing to save the cost and complete the project on time. Research. Spend a little time to research thoroughly online about the right fittings and materials to match your pocket and style. Speak to people and get an idea. Finalize the design. This could be a long process. You may have many ideas in your mind. Weigh all pros and cons, align it to your budget, and stick with what you have decided. This will save the rounds of iterations, avoid confusion and further delay. Know when to save and when to spend. A house is made once in 15 to 20 years, so evaluate the cost benefit of each product you choose. For example, while choosing floor tiles, some may be a little higher priced but may prove to be of superior quality and durable in the long run. Visit stores. Get to know the various options and discounts which are given to walk-in customers. This will help to keep the budget on track. You will also get a variety of brands to choose from. Visit a nearby Buildpro store to explore a wide range of durable, elegant, and modern home building products and fittings for your house. Truly a one-stop shop for all your building products and solutions, built with Buildpro.